can see here, Lululemon. Got 2 Skims. Let's unbox my luho for today's video. Mahilig kayong mag-shopping sa US, UK, Australia, Japan, at saka Korea. Chances are, narinig nyo na to, I'm using shipping cart as my third-party forwarder para tipid ako sa shipping. Tagal ko nang gamit si shipping cart sa lahat ng mga boodles ko online sa iba't ibang bansa, lalo na kapag bumili ako ng mga K-pop items before sa Korea, and then, nung hindi pa nag-ship si Amazon sa Philippines, ito rin yung gamit ko, si shipping cart. Miss Ara, saan mo ba nabili yung jacket mo? This one is from Lululemon, USA. Ayan, it's an official Lululemon scuba jacket. Ganyan. I have the beige and then the red. Also, I love Skims. So, ito ang aking boxer shorts. From Skims also. Wala pa ako nakikitang ganito kagandang quality. Itong parcel na to, pinaship ko siya via plane, and it took about, I think, 12 days bago siya makarating sa akin. Kino-consolidate niya yung mga item nyo. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng gusto nyo orderin sa isang bansa, let's say for example, ako sa US, order ako ng mga kung ano-ano, i-consolidate niya yan sa isang warehouse, iipunin niya, and then kapag ready ka na, pwede mo na siyang ipaship sa Philippines without going through the Philippine Post Office or yung customs, ganyan. And sobrang dami ko nakikita dito sa TikTok who's buying Lululemon direct from Hong Kong, tapos hindi nila makuha yung mga items nila sa Philippine Post Office because sobrang laki ng patong, like umaabot ng 12,000, 15,000. A third-party forwarder, kagaya ni shipping cart, will save you a lot of money. So actually, hindi ko na matandaan kung ano mga in-order ko. So, i-open na lang natin siya lahat. Kasi parang almost a month ko siya inipon. This one, I got this one from Lululemon. Ayan, I think, what is yun? In-order ko to sa Lululemon. Ay, cute! Boxing class. It's a hanging shirt. Next. Ang saya. Ang saya. This one is another Lululemon, I think. Man ako fan ng Lululemon before, pero na-influensyahan ako ng sister-in-law kong magastos. And then, when I realized na ang ganda ng quality ng Lululemon, then, yun na. Yan. This one is a Racerback bra. I got this for, I don't know how much I got this, pero this was on sale also. I can use this for spin class, for biking class. It's a bra. This one, another tumbler from Owala. Recently, nilaunch yung bagong colors ng Owala. And then, I got this from the official Owala website. It's my color, kaya I can pass on. Lavender series nila. Charan! This is the Owala lavender tumbler. I think I got this for $30. So, this is the new Owala lavender. Kaka-launch lang nila nito. And sobrang dami ko ng tumbler from Owala. Pero first time ko magkaroon ng ganitong tumbler from them. I love lavender so much and it looks so pretty. This one is from Amazon. This is for Arya. Nagpabili si Arya ng toy from Amazon, and this one, I got Skims. Hindi ako fan ng Kardashian, pero super love Skims. Isang Skims na fits everybody shirt, and then Skims na bra. I got a bra from Skims. Ang lambot. Grabe, yun ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng tela ang gamit ng Skims, pero sobrang lambot niya. Grabe. Like, feels like wala kang suot. Ooh. This is... Wait, let's try this on. And this is what it looks like. Oh my God. So, I'm wearing the Skims bra and then Skims fits everybody shirt. Diba? Ang lakas makapayat ng damit. Hindi no, lakas maka-push up. Guys, 38A lang ako ha. Hindi yan kalakihan. May illusion lang siyang malaki siya. So, this is Skims boxer shorts. So, boxer shorts, Skims, Skims tops, Skims bra. I'm a Skims girly now. Iinggitin ko yung sister-in-law ko. Sandali. Minnie, look. I'm wearing my everything Skims. It's so sexy.
Skims yan?
Skims boxer, Skims top, Skims bra. Look at my ass, Arya.
Look at Mami Gia.
Look.
Ah,
So sexy. Arya.
she don't care.
Okay. Bye. Iron Panda. So, di ba nagbaboxing ako sometimes. Is thick thighs, teen patience. Thick thighs, teen patience. I got books. I love reading Law of Attraction books. So, I got 2 books. One is from Nada Amari. The World is As You Are. This is a new book na ni-launch niya. I have the first one. So, if you're into Law of Attraction, positivity, Law of Manifestation, Law of Assumption, ganyan. Anything to get you motivated and keep your positivity high, I highly recommend this author. It's Nada Amari. And then, more for Law of Attraction, I also have the Neville Goddard book. Ito yung collection niya. So, ito yung first book ko sa kanya. I'm super happy with this purchase kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nagbabasa ulit. So, when I'm down or I feel pressured with life, I read books like this. I think my shipping cost was about $50. So, via plane siya ha. So, shipping cart via plane. So, that's about 2,500 or something. And then, I was able to get it within 12 days. So, medyo matagal yon kasi based sa past experience ko, umaabot lang siya ng minsan 5 days na sa akin na. So, kapag shinip ko siya from US to Philippines, nandito na siya sa akin within 5 days. Yun yung pinaka-earliest. And then, 10 days longest. So far, yung 12 days ngayon pinaka-longest ko kasi nagkaroon ng several holidays. Again, this is not sponsored. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo dahil mahilig ako mag-shopping. So, if gusto nyo rin mamili sa US, UK, Japan, Korea, Europe website, use a third party na lang like shippingcart.com. It will save you a lot of shipping cost, lalo na i-consolidate nyo na lang siya. Ay, pwede nyo ipaship sa kanila. Merong mga bawal pero very minimal naman. And then wala na kayong babayaran sa taxes kasi covered na yun ng shipping cost nyo. Plus may insurance pa siyang kasama in case ma-damage yung goods nyo while in transit. So ayun, happy shopping guys, and I'm gonna shop again because Skims is having a 30% discount right now sa kanilang mid-year na ba agad? Site-wide. Ayan. So, this is the Skims website. Oh my God, baka naman, Kardashian, kunin nyo na akong model, plus size. I can work for free. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng libreng mga bra.